Good morning. I'm Dr. Clark Pearson, a plastic surgeon, and today we're going to be doing a split earlobe repair. A lot of people from wearing earrings over time, the earrings sort of end up pulling out over time. Sometimes they don't even wear heavy earrings. It just sort of ends up pulling out because that skin is a little bit more delicate. Other people we see get those gauges placed in. I do a lot of repairs to close those gauge holes back up if they're ready to kind of move on from that phase in life. We are also talking about keloid scarring. Occasionally people will form a keloid scar around the ear piercing. I cut those out and repair those as well. But today we got, you can come up closely. This is Miss Keisha, beautiful Miss Keisha, who was watched the ACC tournament in Charlotte this weekend. Lucky woman. You can see her. She's got a complete split through there. Sometimes people aren't fully split when I fix them, but hers is fully split. So we're gonna just numb her up and fix that split. Then at about 4 weeks or so, we will re-pierce the earlobe, and then that piercing stays in for another month or so before she's ready to wear her own earrings again. But let's get this party started, right? All right, so we're ready to get started here. If you look closely, we sort of marked out the edge of that little wedge that we're gonna remove. She's all numbed up, but I'm gonna test out and Keisha, tell me if you can feel anything.
I cannot.
Good, that's good. If you can, I have, as we get started, got some numbing medicine that we can add to it, okay? So we'll just get started, and we don't want to take out too much because we want to leave earlobe for her. Just enough to take out that area that got damaged. How you doing, Keisha? Good?
I'm good.
You're a calm cookie. Okay, almost done with the, I'll just be about ready to sew you up in a second. Yeah, I know, right?
It's quick.
It's quick. It's going. So we'll take that away. A little cleanup here. There's not a lot of bleeding because we use numbing medicine that has a little epinephrine in it, and that causes those little blood vessels to shrink down. Just tidy up the edges so it's nice and perfect. All right. Doing okay?
Yes.
Okay. Just taking out a little more scar tissue. Looks like we're ready. Let's put some stitches in. All right, so we have, you ready?
Yep.
All right, we've closed up the back first. And now we just have a few more stitches to put in the front to get this little girl back together. So these sutures are going to stay in for about a week. She's going to be careful, not play any rugby or any major contact sports so that she doesn't get bumped in the ear. And then she'll come back in a week to have them removed. We still will wait about 4 weeks for this whole area to heal before we re-pierce though. Good.